Siyabingelela. Obingelela baba udokotela baba usizo baba ujabulile ufana muhle ungathi khehla lomlungu. Umzukulu wamancengesi angezisoli futhi angixolisi. Asikuvume lokho. We have to insist ukuthi abantu mebebuka ishana baba udokotela it must be something new. Akubi into abangayazi but sibafundiseke. Akubi into eyiqiniso kodwa sibachazele futhi leli qiniso silithathe because amaqiniso emaningi abantu abanawo abakwazi ukushiya ukuthi bathathaphe and into abayishoyo athothi nathi ayitholakala kwenye indawo yazo yena kuphela that person is a threat kwi community. Namhlanje sithatha ithuba kwi channel ababa udokotela esithi ubunyanga basendulo. Si channel esifuna ukwenza okuhle. We rather not grow as long as sinika abantu information that they need, not to push people to accept ukuthi ababe nomcebo ongekho enyoka. This is Babu Dr. Boyces watch topic namhlanje ithi real zeros in your account. Real zeros in your account. Zeros are very, very important. Again, ngibuke nje sisazokwakha ama video lana ngokuhlohlana ngisafuna ukuthi ama video alandela ngizoye ngikhuluma ngalento ethi ngiyakha mina ekhaya. Thola ukuthi umuntu ngiyakha mina ekhaya kodwa lo muntu lo unengane ezo3 ayizale kuntombazana. Lo ntombazana usaqhubeka usakhokha kubo kodwa imali aseyispend ekhaya akha isidlulele ku230,000 because uyakha yena ekhaya. So ke sikhulume lonto ukuthi labantu abakhaya emakhaya kwenzeka kanjani. Ake siyibuke lento siphinde siyibuke nawo lento le. Yeah, abantu bakithi angisho lento le. Yabona nje umuntu wesilisa usathandana nontombazana ephathi Samsung hayi uanti phela loyo. Ama Samsung aphathe uanti cishe ngathi yabo labo mama basenze endlini baphatha ama Samsung ke ngisho ukuthi intombi yakhe emephathi Samsung usho ukuthi uanti nje wasendlini loyo ngoba kodwa ngisho lutho umuntu usaphatha intombi yakhe iloku ikubhazela ngeSamsung funa wazi ukuthi ubhazela lo anti lo. Yawo ama Samsung aphathe uanti asingafuni isizwe sibangisana. Kodwa ufuna wazi ukuthi unehlazo ukuthi usothandana uncane ngayo usothandana no-anti abaphatha ama-Samsung. Angisho lutho kodwa. This is Babu Dokotela baba esizojama mfana umhleze ekhehlela uMzulu amancingisane ngisofuthi ngixolisa. Ngike ngakhuluma nabantu ngamafutha kanyabhanga. Khuluma kakhulu ngabantu namafutha kanyabhanga. Amafutha lawo okuphilisa umuntu. Siwakhipha mu-3,500 rand. Uma ngikunika lamafutha lawa ngiyacela ukuthi noma ungayibuka le channel I'm not pledging you. I repeat, I'm not pledging you ukuthi uthathe into owazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyenza. As long ukuthi wena awukwazi ukuvuka ebusuku. Awukwazi wena ukuvuka ebusuku ngoba kunyabhanga sifuna umuntu owazi ukuthi ufunani. Unyabhanga ufuna umuntu ongakwazi ukuvuka ebusuku. Mekushaya u1 ukhanyisa ikhandlela elimhlophe, eliyellow, eliblue, awu3. Ukhulume nonyabhanga umtshela ukuthi yini oyifuna akwenzele yona. I repeat, uvuka ngo1 ebusuku ukhanyise lamakhandlela awu3. Utshele unyabhanga ukuthi yini wena ofuna ukuthi akwenzele yona. You understand? Yini ofuna akwenzele yona. Mefika unyabhanga kuwena, ngifuna ukuthi ungitholele inkukhu emhlophe uyibulale, ufake salukwazi, ufake inyongo la phakathi kule nkukhu le. Ukwazi ukuthi idlo zakho uxhomanela ungathi wenze into idlo seningayazi. Musu ucabela ukhipha igazi la ufaka igazi lakho lapha musu uyawushukuza kanje uhlanze utshela yonke into oyifunana ulinde mekushaya u1 kusukume lokho kusuke lokho unyabhanga ke sonikeza abantu ngo-3,500 amanye ngeke siyabaphosela siyakwazi ukuthi sibaphosele abathi bawufuna bebefuna indoda eqinisa indoda emhlophe kakhulu unyabhanga kakhulu unyabhanga ke loyo indoda nje siyikhiphela abantu sithi nangu unyabhanga uthathe. Ake ngikhulume lento le. Ngikhulume kubantu ngento yegusha. Ngathi sinomsebenzi esiwunika abantu esiwakhela abantu wegusha ku65,000 rand. Lento le ifuna igusha. Siyakha ke ngo65,000 rand. Ungitholela igusha lenkunzi, ungitholela ikhandle inkukhu emhlophe, ungitholela inkukhu ebovu, uthola iphakethe lamakhandlela yellow, iphakethe lamakhandlela amhlophe, iphakethe lamakhandlela blue, mase siyayakha lento. Ithatha 2 days to 3 days. Ku depend ukuthi lo muntu esimvusayo wenhlanhla kwena usefikile ufike nini. Yabo? Abanye ufika same time athi ayibaba dokotela ngeke. angazi noma ngathi ngiyabengilele lapha kusofa ngezwe umuntu ekhuluma kanje kusuke sifikile ke le ndoda leke esiyivusayo kodwa into enhle ngayo asiye emathuneni asiyindawo sikuvusela yona sikukhandelene ukuthi into nje enhlanhla ezothi uma usebenza kahle ngayo ungalambi ungasweli. This is baba uDokotela baba sesibojabula umfana omhlanje kahle lento kuzofuza ukuthi ngisho ngoba ngishiso yini lento ukuthi ufuna siyakhe into enhlanhla ngoba uma usukwazi ukungena eTexini uma uthi ubheke emuva nje uhleli phakathi nendawo uthi ubheke ngaphambili uthi uthi wena wedwa omdala la usukhulileke lapho uthi yabheka akekho umuntu ona 46 la mina kuphela ngimdala la usukhulileke lapho ustuck eTexini kodwa ustuck eTexini ingakho siqhamuka nento ezifana nalezi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zizokusiza ekuvuleni kwakhe inhlanhla ngoba usukwazi ukuthethisa usenesibindi sokuthethisa urank manager ukuthi kade simile lana nimathex aqhamuka nini kodwa umuthi uyabheka la kwiqueue umuntu omdala uyedwa kuphela olandwe izingane zakhe esibhedlela ugogo nje omdala uyena kuphela omdala wena una 48 usathethisana no rank manager kufuze wena ngabe uthethisa abase parking lot ukuthi liphi security sifuna ukukhokha sifuna ukuphuma usemotweni yakho yezo into ngisho ngithi mina kunezinto ezikushoyo ukuthi lento le usuyayidinga ngoba awukwazi ngempela ukuthi unqaphe ukuthi wema obizo usicelo lesovule esangweni lalela ikini awuzutshela abantu bakini ukuthi abenze ikini wena ufuna ukuthi ngabe njengamanje wena ususendaweni yakho la wena okhiri gate lakho uvale igate lakho khona kwakho hayi ukuthi wena namanje usathetha kini because age yakhe ayisakuvumeni lo lezi zinto ezifuna silokhu sizichemistry zame sizideliver kuwena ukuthi unini la ubona khona ukuthi lento ngiyacabanga nami sengiyidinga nje ngikwazi ukuthi ngibe independent by far sikunika ke lento ke ngo65,000 rand sikunika lento ngo65,000 rand awuzi kuba uDokotela umujahila hamba ozama abanye this is baba uDokotela baba sesibojabula umfana omhlanje akhehle umzulu amancane ngifuna futhi wazi into oyisebenzelayo ngifuna ukuthi uyazi into oyisebenzelayo ukuthi yini ngoba abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi kusetshenzelwana even ebank lakho as from today ngeke ngiphuzele amahewu lawo as from today uma ubuzwa umuntu ushutha kwakakhulu ngifuna ukhule le channel ufuna ukukhulisa uyazi mina sengikhule ngafika kwi level ukuthi awubhuti abadala ngiyabalandela ke manje kunobhuti abadala lena mesikhulisa umuntu asimkhulisi ngeminyaka simkhulisa ngelevel ngezinga kunezinga ofuna ufike kulona kunezinga elithi emsebenzini thina sisaya Monday to Saturday ngenze example but kunobhuti abadala sebeya once a week noma kwabe kabili esontweni kubobheka ukuthi kwenziwani yabo baya kodwa thina njengoba sisaya njalo nje siyakhula nathi nawe ke ufuna sikhulise kodwa uye njalo but uyibona into enzama come to that ukhule futhi kunobhuti abadala kathi made begqoka amasokisi akhulunywa amasokisi aphoze emgqomeni kabhini ezowashwa abasabuyeli kena sawupha abantu akasawagqoki lo masokisi useke wagqoka wagqoka kanye amasokisi angasawagqoka ukhula lokho empilweni awukhuli ngeminyaka ukhula ngezinga ufuna understand amazinga abantu ukuthi abalingana mina izinga engikulona lithi isicathulo bengisithengile yasigqoka mase ufuna ukuthi isiphorishwa ngisiphorish ngesidedela nabantu ngiphisana ngaso mase sesifuna ukuphorishwa ngisiphorish izinga ke nawe kufuze ukhule kulona ufike kulona ukuthi nginamateka black and white aseqala ukungcola angizuwawasha aya esengizohambisa ngonika abantu kunabantu abadinga ukwembatha abo hayi ukuthi usuku sekuyizinga usuku sokulona kunabantu abavuswa iwash lelamachayini kanti ufuna uvuke ngoba sekuphela ubuthongo uyakuzwa ukuthi kuthini ungavuswa uhlakaniphile uvuswa iwash lamachayini uyogijima inyanga uzobanjwa inkunzi ubanje nakhona idididi ezingenamali ngifuna ukukhulisa ke uma usukhula empilweni mhlazane umuntu ekubuza ukuthi imali nosunayo ebank manje njengoba usebenza awukakafiki kwi-level ekahle uma imali ebank uyazi ukuthi imalini angiqale phansi uma ukuthi use umuntu mengisabuza kuyi-wallet yakho ukuthi kunamalini bakithi ngicela ningayithathi personal njenganami nje kuba kudokotela babisizwe bajala ufana nje ekhaya umzulu amancane sangisolve and close angazi ukuthi le wallet njengoba ngiyishiye emotweni ngizoshutha nje inamalini phakathi uma ngikhanda inyoni ngithi ahambe uyothatha leya wallet imibhathulu 200 ngizobona yini imibhathulu 300 ngeke ngikwazi ukukhanda yabo angikwazi ukuyibona because angiyazi ukuthi emalini nawe ke ufuna ufike kulowo level ukuthi iPES noma isikhwama sakho ungasazi ukuthi sinamalini usuka umuntu ke lapha kodwa wazi nanini uma ufuna imali ihlezi khona ku wallet or iPES ebanki ke nakhona ebanki umuntu mekubuza ukuthi unamalini njengamanje usenze ebank once wamtshela kutshengisa ukuthi usagqoka iPampers ufuna ukuthi kufike la isigaba sokuthi awazi ukuthi umbuzo ukuthi umuthi kunamela ebank usho kweyiphi account ngoba nginama account amaningi mina ngino Capitec that's number 1 ngino FNB uFNB udivideke ka3 nama account awu3 ka FNB ngino baba udokotela ngino mangcengesi ngine account eyami personal engayisho awu3 mase ngizothi ke Standard Bank ngine private bank iEvolve yakhona maye ungibuza nginamali ngibuza ukuthi mina kweyiphi account kwama account amaningi ayikho kufuthi ngenayo imali eyiphi account obuyibuza mina nginale ikhadi engithi benginika umsebenzi alithathe ngimphuce ukuthi akeze zami no maybe njengoba phezulu bebesele nekhadi nje mekhonto afuna bayithenga bacela iauthority bahamba hotel petrol bezele imali vese ikhona yabo ngifuna ukuthi nawe kukhule kufike kulo level awuzona isigwili usukukhula yabo uma usebenza as from now awusebenzeli ukuthi unemali ebank into ebalekile ebank how many zeros have you got awungezwe ukuthi ngithini if a person can transfer you 10,000 rand today it is 1 zeros it is 1 and couple of zeros but if a person can only transfer you 8 zeros no or 4 maybe 6 that is a scam the bank will treat it as a scam immediately and block that account if I can transfer ngena ku internet ngitransfer yem o8 babe u9 mase ma transfer ku account yakho ungakhona u0 ibank will treat it as a scam they block that account immediately because everybody is expecting you to deposit only zeros to make it official because the richest person in the globe has more zeros than anyone can afford to have more zeros you can have 1 9 8 6 because numbers are up to 1 to 9 any number it's okay but all we need ngale kwaloko we need more zeros as long you got more zeros then you can be trusted with any institute because they are concerned about how many zeros have you got if uno 100 rand angidingi ukuthi mina ngishintshe u1 lo ngaphambili njoba uno 100 rand ngidinga uadd u0 kuphela ukwenza le mali yakhe iphile but uma uno 100 rand mina ngishintshe lo 100 rand ngenza ube u200 rand ngisaqhubeka ngisahluphekisa but if I add more zeros I'm helping you to reach more level quicker because funa wazi ukuthi empilweni we are only working for zeros are the new thing ekhona emhlabeni if uphila kahle as long unomuntu okuphekela amagwenya it's okay iba ke nomuntu manje na okudayisela amagwenya add more people the number of people working for you it symbolizes more zeros according to your bank account uma usunomuntu okudayiselayo edda umuntu ozokwenza i-social media ak-advertise ukuthi udayisa ngamagwenya that person will add more zeros kwi-account yakho you understand the more you add people abantu abakusebenzelayo they symbolize wealth and power and let me correct the spelling if you got more staff members working for you that symbolize more zeros coming into your account come to ShopRite disclaimer uShopRite unabantu abaningi by far kunale nkampani oyicabangayo wena he makes 20 million a day not a month 20 million a day because more people more zeros less people less zeros you understand and then start to put more people around you because you need people to bring you more wealth because umuntu oyedwa uza nezandla eziwu2 can you imagine if nje unabantu abawu5 abakusebenzela you got 10 hands working for you. When we are folding your hand, 10 hands are working for you. Bahamba ngeenyawo zabo hayi ngezakho. Yonke into bayenza ngezabo. When I wenza ukuthi the more you add more people, 100 people, you got 200 hands working for you. You understand? Each and every person esandleni unemini u10 yokusebenzela wena to make you rich. Thereafter akuzokwenzeka with less people. Mina angiyazi ngakithi noma ngakini imillionaire esetshenziswa umuntu oyedwa. Akekho ngakithi mina engimaziyo. I'm 50 years plus. Akekho umuntu engimaziyo mina onabantu abawu2 abamsebenzelayo or richest person around. Kuba u2 kuphela abantu abamsebenzelayo. Even ama drug dealer awadilele umuntu oyedwa. India namhlanje into enza ukuthi ibe isaphila isenamandla isaproducing because they've got more people. Since you got more people, you attract more people to come and bring jobs to you because you got more people to work for foreign companies at a cheaper rate. You understand? Amajini, ama-livers akuwona wase-India kodwa akhiwe India. Kade enziwe eChina manje nje we-India. Adidas wenziwe eChina manje suwenziwe e-India because India has surpassed everybody emhlabeni ngepopulation. Ngalo ndlela ukuhambisa iproduct yakhe okwenziwe e-India, it is much cheaper than uyihambisa eZimbabwe because iZimbabwe population yakhona incane, ilabor yakhona it is expensive compared to India. Ngizama ukusho ukuthi the more unabantu abaningi, the more une chance eningi ukuthi there's little that can make you poor because there are so many hands asebenzela wena. Each hand is carrying 5 fingers. Abantu aba-1000 beza nemino nizandla ezu-2000 wena. We are times lokho times 10. Konke lokho kusebenzela wena. There is no way that you can be poor. Again, bring more zeros into your account, then you'll know. Start to bring more people emsebenzi wakho, then you know ukuthi kwenzekani. This is Babu Dr. Babu Yusuf Bojabule, mfana muhle ungathi ikhehlela umlungu. Siyabonga.